Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And this is my treasure trove giveaway, y'all. I've been doing this giveaway for a couple of years, maybe even 3 years. And how it works is it goes on continually. About once a month, I pick a winner, and will then show you more items that you could win. And there's 3 groupings, and you will choose which grouping you prefer to win. And I'll tell you more about that in a few minutes. Let me tell you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this Too Faced Lippy. This is called Too Femme, T-O-O Femme, and it has the heart in the middle for moisture, and that's what I have on my lips. Yes, Camille. Alrighty. And then on my eyes, I have this beautiful Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. This I received in friend mail from the lovely Andy Does Stuff. If you don't know her, I'll have her below. You can go check her out. It is plastic, so it's hitting the light. Can't really see it very well. I love Huda products. I love her eyeshadows. And this is stunning. And that is what I'm wearing today. And now we'll go on with the giveaway. So how this works is I pick a winner, or 2 or 3. There's 3 groups. Okay, Camille. Every time I film, she sits right down on everything. So anyway, I'll do my best to show you everything. So I chose a winner, and I'm going to tell you who the winner is, and then I'm going to show you what's coming for the next part of the giveaway. So anyway, my rules are you have to live in the US, or you have to have, you can live anywhere. You have to have an address in the US for me to send you the giveaway winnings. You have to be 18 years or older. You do not have to be publicly subscribed to me, but you do have to have a relationship with me. So if you're not publicly subscribed, if you don't know what that is, ask me. If I know you, you do not have to be publicly subscribed for this giveaway. And, but like I said, we know each other. We talk back and forth. And I know that you are subscribed to me, even though I can't see that you are subscribed to me, okay? And I bought all these things myself. Some things I received in boxes, or maybe possibly in PR, and no one is responsible for this giveaway. No one at all, not even me. Once it leaves my hands at the post office, I'll get your tracking number, and then it's out of my hands. And I've never had anything lost. So I've had things delayed, but I've never had anything lost. So hopefully you'll get your giveaway winnings. I can't replace these items. And hopefully you do not have any allergic reaction to anything that I send you. So please patch test. And I think that's about it. This giveaway will run through April 26th, and I'll end it at noon Central Time, and then that weekend I'll show the new video like I'm doing this weekend. So the winner from last month is Deb Braga. And it's Deb Braga 7738. But I know Deb, and Deb Braga is her name, okay? So her choice was giveaway number 1. Was her first choice. So she wins her first choice. And Camille is laying all over it. Deb, oh no, she's not. That's the one thing she's not laying on. Okay, so Deb, I'm going to show you quickly because I've already shown you these things before, okay? Deb chose this set, the e.l.f. This is 12 e.l.f. brushes. Very nice set of brushes from e.l.f. Professional brushes, it says. And she's also getting the bite-size e.l.f. Mint Melt eyeshadow, and also the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Raspberry Lippy. These are really nice lipsticks. e.l.f. Cosmetics, very reasonable and very, very nice quality. This is the baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. Very, very pretty highlighter. This also came with these 2. I'm not going to take them out of this right now. They're either you can pin them or you can clip them. You can clip them in your hair, clip them on a coat or a purse or something, or you can pin them on something. They're 2 beautiful white roses. And I think that is it. I'll make sure you get everything that you're supposed to get, Deb. And then, so now we have to replace giveaway number 1. And Camille is laying on giveaway number 1. So maybe not, maybe not. Maybe I have it all here. Maybe I have it all here. Okay. All right. Giveaway number 1, we are replacing. So if you like group number 1, this is it. So pay attention, pay attention. I get a little befuddled when I'm doing these videos. So I have in here the Thayer Natural Remedies since 1847 Let's Be Clear Water Cream. And this is a full size, and Thayer's is an excellent brand. And I have this beautiful Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. This is very pretty. Let me show it to you. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. Here's the top, and then there's actual rose petals in there, and this is a really nice lip gloss. It has a doe foot in there. So it has no color. It's just, you know, to protect your lips. Give you a shine over your lippy if you want to. And that is that. And we have a bite-sized eyeshadow in Orange Dreamsicle. Very nice for spring and summer coming up. These are shimmers, and then these two are mattes. Whoops, these two are mattes, okay. And we have this necklace, which I didn't take out of the plastic, sorry. This is not very long. It does have an extension, if you can see that. It has 2 strands to it. This first strand, they don't come apart, it's all together, but this first strand is little circles on there that look like little coins, really pretty gold. And then this strand has these rhinestones on it. Look at how beautiful that is. It just is really pretty. Really very pretty. So the way that they fall is one falls a little bit lower than the other. Camille really likes it, so I'll have to make sure I wrap it back up so she doesn't get to it. And also in group number 1 is the Wander Beauty upgraded lashes. This is here. Some people really love this eyelash mascara. And also I have a Sephora Mango Mask. This is a hair sleeping mask. So how this works, look at how pretty that is decorated. In here is all this fabulous thick cream. And then it has a cap. So you do what it says, you know, you probably have to wash your hair, and then you put this all on, and then you put this cap on, and you leave it on overnight if you'd like, or just for, you know, a few hours or something to help your hair. So that is the new group number 1. So remember that, okay? Group number 2 is a repeat, and Camille is sitting on it, so she had to bite me to tell me she wasn't getting off. I'll go quickly because if you'd like to see group number 2, you know, a little bit more, then look back at the last video. This is Jasmine Beauty Brow Styling Wax. It's in a box. I'm not going to open it. It's a little tub of brow styling wax, just clear styling wax. We have the little Barbie perfume that came in Ipsy. I've never spritzed it. It smells sweet. You know, you can smell it, but it smells sweet. And a lot of y'all were interested in that. And I have this Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter, but y'all, it doesn't look the best. So I don't have another highlighter right now. So if somebody picks this, I will give you this. But I'll put something else in this bundle. If I get a highlighter, I'll put a highlighter in. Because I'm thinking I don't know if it looks a little dried up. Stop chewing on things. And then we also have Pure. This is the Big Look Mascara. This is really nice mascara. Really beautiful packaging. And Real Her. This is Celebrate Diversity. This is a little lippy. And of course, you know, the box is damaged because I opened it. So, I mean, I opened it to show you. So it's a very pretty little lippy. And this is the color, very beautiful. One of my favorite colors, but I already have this. So, very pretty. And then also we have the Avery Beauty 4-step pedi kit in the Pearl Glow. So this is a 4-step set to give yourself a pedicure, okay? So that is group number 2. And Camille's gonna get a spanking in a minute. And then group number 3 is a mystery. So I'm gonna show you, this is a fabulous Ipsy bag I recently got. Love it, love it, love it. It's so pretty, I thought it was pretty to show you. There are some goodies in here. You will not get the bag. The bag is mine, but you will get the goodies if you choose number 3. So what you need to do now, going forward, is to maybe say, hey, Mary, you know, say hello to me, you know, what's up, whatever. And then tell me in the order of how you would like to win these items. If you like number 1 the best, you put number 1 first. If you like number 2 the second, you'll put number 2 second. If you like number 3 last, you'll put it last. So 1, 2, 3 is the order that you would choose in that case. Because sometimes I pick more than one winner. Right now I have a lot of giveaways going on, so I just picked the one winner, which was Deb. Please congratulate her below, by the way. And I told you that the rules are always in the description. If you have any questions, please ask me. And I think that's about it, y'all. I just really enjoy doing giveaways. And this treasure trove is something that I really enjoy doing. And you all seem to really like it. And as long as y'all keep liking it, we're going to keep doing it. So thank you all for stopping by. And count your blessings, y'all. And I appreciate y'all being here. And if you are new to my channel, this is, like I said, this is something I've been doing for a long time. And just talk to me. And like I said, then we'll have a relationship. And if you'd like to have your account public and you don't know how to do that, ask me. I have a video that I can send to you. And because if I'm in a collab, you'll have to be publicly subscribed. A lot of channels do giveaways and they want you to be publicly subscribed. So if you don't even know what I'm talking about, it means you don't know. And see, that's where the problem comes in. A lot of people have no idea what we're talking about. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, ask me. Because to be publicly subscribed, you have to be. A lot of people enter giveaways and they get passed over because they're not publicly subscribed. So ask me and I'll show you the video. It's just a couple of minute video. If even, it's might not even be 2 minutes long. It might be 3 minutes long. I don't remember. But anyway, I'll take care. Count your blessings. I'll put that video in the description below with last month's treasure trove giveaway so that you can see, if you want to see more up close and personal, the items for group number 2. Thank y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.